Hey guys, it's me, Sasay, and welcome back to my channel. And so for today's video, I'll be showing you and sharing with you guys the shampoo bars from Hairfood Co. So guys, kung hindi nyo pa alam kung ano ba yung shampoo bar, so shampoo bar is a natural conditioning shampoo that is in solid bar form. So guys, yung paggawa ng shampoo na liquid ay parehong-pareho lang din sa paggawa ng shampoo bars. Pero ang pinagkaiba lang guys is ang shampoo bar ay, ang mga ingredients nito ay all natural and organic ingredients. So walang chemical na ina-add sa mga shampoo bar. Pero yung mga liquid shampoo natin or mga nasa plastic bottles natin is, ang mga ginagamit is mga synthetic natural na ingredients. So shampoo bar can also help to lessen using plastic bottles, and this shampoo bar is equivalent to 2 to 3 bottles na ginagamit mo. So sobrang tipid talaga kapag gumamit ka ng shampoo bars. Papakita ko muna sa inyo kung ano yung itsura and aamuyin muna natin kung maganda ba yung amoy niya. Babasahin natin yung mga ingredients and all the details that is here. So Hairfood Co sent me this shampoo bar with coconut milk. This retails for 295 pesos, and kapag may can naman ay mag-add ka ng 25 pesos para merong lalagyan ang iyong shampoo bar. So this is what it looks like inside, and papel lang yung kanyang pambalot pero merong printed na Hairfood Co. And at the back you can see the other details, ingredients of it, and then the net content. It's 70 grams and mag-expire siya on 2021. So guys, I'm going to tell you the claims of this product. So first one, it deeply conditions your hair. So this is suitable for dry and damaged hair. So, sakto siya sa akin dahil super dry ng hair ko, and then I have colored hair. So, second one, it nourishes your hair from roots to ends. So, the last one is it strengthens hair because of the high protein of it. So, I'll tell you guys my problem about my hair. So, yung hair ko, damaged siya kasi nga nag-color ako ng twice. And hindi na-color lahat ng hair ko. So, dito lang sa taas, which is yung hindi na blackening shampoo dati. And then, meron din akong hair loss and then dandruff. So, nagkakaroon ako ng dandruff kahit na anong gamitin kong shampoo. And I stopped using shampoo na yung mga liquid shampoo or mga nakabattle na shampoo kasi mas lalo akong nagkaka-dandruff. Papakita ko sa inyo kung ano yung tsura ng hair ko ngayon. So, the key ingredients of this product is virgin coconut oil. It helps to prevent hair loss. The coconut milk. So, ito nga yung with coconut milk na sabon or yung shampoo bar na napunta sa akin. So, it restores dry and damaged hair. So, ginagawa niyang soft and silky yung hair. By the way, guys, yung amoy pala ng product na to ay super bango. Amoy vanilla siya, pero ang mas amoy mo yung coconut oil, yung parang nakaka-relax na mga candle. Ganun yung amoy nila. So guys, also this product is paraben-free, sulfate-free, phthalate-free, silicone-free, and colorant-free. So I'll be showing you guys on how to use this shampoo bar. Let's go! Hi guys! So, I'm back and ito na yung hair ko. Fully dried na siya. And kapag hahawakan ko siya, smooth naman siya. Ayan, all the way naman kapag kaiaan mo ng fingers mo. Diretso naman siyang bumababa and walang sabit. And ayan, sinuklay ko lang siya and this is what it looks like. Ayan, para na siyang para akong nag-hair iron. And masasabi ko dito sa dulo niya, hindi siya frizzy hair. So, as you can see guys, ayan, hindi siya frizzy. And ayan, dun sa may tip ko, masasabi ko, hindi na siya nagda-dandruff. Wala na akong dandruff na nakukuha kasi natuyo na, diba guys? So, papakita ko sa inyo yung likod ng aking hair. Napansin ko din parang naging fuller yung hair ko compared kanina na parang buhaghag siya. Pero ngayon, tignan nyo, parang sumasabay siya. Ayan. Ganun pa rin yung itsura. Kapag igaganon mo, babalik siya. Nakaka-amaze. Just a reminder guys, shampoo bar is very friendly, and then pwede mong gamitin yung shampoo bar for 80 washes. So, mga ilang months mo rin yung magagamit. And then may masisave ka din na 3 bottles of shampoo. Maganda rin siyang gamitin kasi natural and organic ingredients yung ginagamit dito. So, ayun lang guys yung ating review for today, and I hope nag-enjoy kayo. As you can see guys, sobrang nagustuhan ko siya. Maganda siya sa hair, and then maganda rin siya sa ating mundo.